Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to find the IP address in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on Wi-Fi and then click on Wi-Fi info icon. And if you want to find your IP address, then simply scroll down and here you can see the option IP address. Here you can see your IP address, and if you want to copy your IP address, then simply click on it and you can see the option copy, and here you can copy your IP address. So this is the way to find the IP address in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.